Welcome back to LJTV, everyone. I hope you're having a fine Friday evening, and I hope you're ready to learn something new. And hopefully you checked out my last video where I showed you how to change your Wi-Fi name and your password so it could be easy to identify and you'd be less likely for a hacker to hack into your home network. And today I'm going to teach you something very important, as one of my most phone calls that I get is someone has a virus on their computer, or it's starting up slow, they're getting pop-ups and the whole 9 yards. I want to show you how to identify websites that give you those pop-ups. They call them adware. You get a bunch like advertisements to download your free virus program and different things like that. I'm going to teach you how to spot those things out and where to go to search and see if those websites are even legitimate or not. So what I did is I went to my spam folder in my email and I picked out the most random, whatever I can find, and to give you guys a good demonstration on how to spot this. So here we have, this is from Megan6582, this is KJXNast whatever at hostgetgrants.eu. Okay, so she hopes I'm doing well and I can get started today. They can direct deposit $5,920 into my bank account, like I'm going to give my information over, right? And the first thing I want you to notice is my mouse pointer is still the finger where you click links. Okay, most of us know that when you hover over a link, it turns into a little hand or whatever, you click it, right? But notice how it's the whole thing is a link, the entire thing. Check that out. These aren't individual links, the whole thing is a link. And we're going to have to pay attention to the bottom left hand corner of the web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. You might have Safari or Internet Explorer. I hope you don't have Internet Explorer, but I'm using Google Chrome. So look at the bottom left hand corner and it shows where these links go to. So it says hostinggrants.eu and a bunch of numbers and a bunch of jargon. I want to take a risk for you today so you can learn something. So I'm going to click on this. Don't mind these other tabs up here. I'm going to explain what those are in a minute. So here's a notice. Takes about 2 minutes to answer short multiple choice questions to make me eligible to win $5,920 risk free to go to school. Awesome. Sounds good, right? Most people don't. Some people that aren't too tech savvy and pretty gullible, they'll believe this. This is why I keep my business going. It's all virus protection, right? So when I hover over each link, remember I said pay attention to the bottom left hand corner to see where these links go. So this one says JavaScript void 0. Okay, it's a legit link. So click on that. Well, risk free money. Okay, help me achieve my goals. I can pay for school by myself, whatever. My career path, intellectual. I'm doing online campus. Right, so you click these, whatever website you're on, you click those, and you're almost approved. It's like, yes. Then you go to finish my application. I'm just going to leave this right here. So now we go down to the bottom left-hand corner. Look where this link goes. It goes to trackvolume.com. So now we're going to get into the other tabs in my web browser. So I go to a website called Whois. There's also another one called GoDaddy. If you want to look up any website to see if it's legitimate and it's constantly updated, you can go here, type it in, and all their information will come up. Their name, address, PO box, their email address, and all that will come up. So I went here and I typed in trackvolume.com, and this is what it came up with. It hasn't been updated since 2015. So it's been a couple of years since this has been updated, and they're out of San Mateo, California, right? So this is all the information of that link that they haven't gone to. Then I went a little bit further. Oh, let me backtrack a little bit. There's something else that most people won't notice. there's actually a title at the top of the page that says, "This site is not to be taken lightly." This site is not to be taken lightly. It even warns you about the site, but most people will even ignore that. They don't even notice that it's even right there. It's telling you this is a scam site, but to the average person, you won't know that. So pay attention to the tabs and pay attention to what's in this URL bar and what address it is. Look how long this thing is. It's ridiculous. So after that, after I went to Whois to see where these people are from, I went a little bit further to see if there was any problems from this place. So I typed it in Google, and this is what I get: removetrackvolume.com pop-up ads, virus and malware tips. This is all I get. How to remove track volume ads, how to remove it, pop-up redirects. This is all I get when you type in track volume. So if I would have clicked that link back here, I would have had a bunch of pop-up ads and things, different things on my computer. So this is the lesson on how you find out if a website is legitimate or not. You can go to Whois or GoDaddy is the other one, or just do a simple Google search and see what comes up. So this is some pretty useful information, I'd say. It'll save you a big headache and save you on your repair bill to those overpriced technicians that you go to Best Buy. But if you enjoyed this content, just leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next video.